Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this in-place mass building. Let's get started. So to start, let's open a new architecture template. Go to Massing and Site, click In-Place Mass, Mass 1, press OK. Click this rectangle. We're gonna create a square out of this. This will be 20 meters by 20 meters. And then let's add in a chamfer at the end or at the corner. This is perfect. Click this and let's mirror this. Click both and let's mirror it again. Click on the trim. We're gonna trim this. So press escape once you're done. Go to south elevation. Click everything. Press copy and uncheck the constraint. Let's put this up around 15. And then let's go back to 3D view. Then select everything from the top and we'll rotate this to 45 degrees. So once it's rotated, go back to elevation, south, select everything again, and then press copy, remove the constraint, and we're gonna add this at 30 now. We're gonna copy again. I'm gonna check multiple. And then press escape and go back to 3D view. Select everything. Once you select everything, click on create form. So now we have our model. So for now, let's finish this mass. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our south elevation. We're gonna create the floors. So click one of this, level, and then click array. And then we're gonna estimate around 35 floors. And then you're gonna click this again. We're gonna keep 4 meters. And as you can see, it started to create all the floors. We can delete these floors. And then Let's go to our view, plan view, floor plans, and we just need to click level 1, and hold shift to select everything and press OK. And this will appear on your project browser now. So let's go back to our 3D. So now go back to south elevation. As you can see, we can actually change this so that it covers the level 28 exactly. So now if we go to level 28, it won't appear yet as we haven't put in any floors, roofs, or walls. So let's go back to our 3D view. Select our model. Let's add in the mass floor. So select level 1, scroll down, hold shift, and then click on this. It will create all the mass floors, but it's still not the actual floor yet. So to do that, you have to click edit in place, and then actually just close this one. We actually need to select our walls, curtain wall system, and floors, but in massing and site. So now we need to click the roof, create roof, and then go back to massing and site, the floors, create floor. You can either choose different kinds of floors, but I'm gonna leave it in 400. Select multiple. Now I'm just selecting everything. And then once you're done, you can see you have the thickness of your floors now. Go back to massing and site. You can actually add walls. So I'm gonna add walls here. This one as well. And here. And go back and assign curtain system. So I'm selecting this and then clicking on create system. Go back to massing and site, and then let's look at it at shaded view and click this show mass. So last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add mullions on this curtain wall. So click on mullion, all grid lines, and select this. I'm gonna add this as well. And there you have it, our in-place mass building. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.